Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Technical Knowledge with Engineers. I am Shruti Tapase and today we will see most important MCQ for university exams. Our topic is Energy and Environment Unit 6 Advanced Materials for Sustainable Development. So we will see 30 MCQ based on this unit 6. So our first question is compounding of polymer means mixing various ingredients to the polymer like A. Plasticizers, B. Fillers, C. Lubricants, D. All of above. And the correct answer is D. All of above. Second question is thermosetting polymer is A. Polyethylene, B. Polyvinyl chloride, C. Polystyrene, D. Nylon 66. And the correct answer is nylon 66 because thermoplastic means that the polymer can be repeatedly melted and hardened by alternate heating and cooling. Third question is which of the following is not a biodegradable? A. Protein, B. Nucleic acid, C. PVC, D. Cellulose. So A, B and D प्रोटीन न्यूक्लिक एसिड एंड सेल्यूलोज ये हम कंज्यूम करते हैं हम डे टू डे लाइफ में सो इट इज़ अ बायोडिग्रेडेबल प्रोडक्ट बट द PVC दैट इज पॉलीविनाइल क्लोराइड इज नॉट अ बायोडिग्रेडेबल सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज C, PVC. Fourth question is the incorrect statement is A. PHBV is biodegradable copolymer. B. Buna S is condensation copolymer of styrene and butadiene. C. PVC is addition homopolymer. D. Cellular is biodegradable polymer. And the correct answer is B. Buna S is condensation copolymer of styrene and butadiene. Fifth question is fillers increases A. Hardness, B. Tensile strength, C. Opacity and workability, D. All of above. And the correct answer is D. All of above. So above 3 हार्डनेस टेंसाइल स्ट्रेंथ एंड ओपेसिटी एंड वर्केबिलिटी ये फीलर्स को इंक्रीज करते हैं. सो अवर सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज बायोपोल इज कॉमन नेम ऑफ विच पॉलीमर? A. PHBV polymer, B. PPF, C. PPV, D. both A and B. So the correct answer is A. PHBV polymer. Seventh question is N-doping and P-doping of conducting polymer is done by which and which respectively? So correct answer is B. Iodine and lithium. Eighth question is Kevlar is which type of liquid crystal? A. Lytropic, B. Smectic, C. Closteric, D. Thermotropic. And the correct answer is A. Lytropic. So Kevlar is lytropic type of liquid crystal. Ninth question is thermoinsulators are A. To prevent heat loss, to keep heat out, both of above, none of above. And the correct answer is C. Both of above. 10th question is pani prepared by using A. Polyethylene, B. Aniline, C. Polyvinyl chloride, D. Polystyrene. And the correct answer is B. Aniline. 11th question Nanoscience deal with material whose size ranges from A. 1 to 10 nanometer, B. 10 to 100 nanometer, C. 100 to 1000 nanometer, D. 1000 nanometer. So correct answer is B. 10 to 100 nanometer. 12th question is nanomaterials differ bulk matters in their A. Electrical properties, B. Mechanical properties, C. Optical properties, and D. All of above. And the correct answer is D. All of above. 13th question is which is not an example of bottom-up approach for synthesis of nanomaterial? A. Chemical vapor condensation, B. Mechanical grinding, C. Microwave plasma processing, D. Chemical vapor deposition. And the correct answer is B. Mechanical grinding. 14th question is nanomaterials are used in medicine as A. Drug carrier, B. For diagnosis, C. For the treatment, and D. All of above. So answer is all of above. 15th question is graphene shows A. Excellent conductivity, B. Thermal stability, C. Both A and B, D. None of above. And the correct answer is D. None of above. 16th question is Which of the following is used for making rechargeable batteries? A. Polypropyl, B. Polyester, C. Polyaniline, D. Polyacrylonitrile, and the correct answer is C. Polyaniline. 17th question is the advantage of using conducting polymer in place metals is there. A. Cost, B. Lightweight, C. Thermal conductivity, D. Solubility. And the correct answer is B. Lightweight. 18th question is during the polymerization of polyaniline, the sequence of the color change is, and the correct answer is B. Light blue greater than blue green greater than copper tin greater than green. So the correct answer is B. 19th question is the color of emeraldine salt which is obtained is. So this is one of the important question, as the color of emeraldine salt obtained is green. So correct answer is C. 20th question. Which among the following is not a biodegradable polymer? A. Polylactic acid, B. Polycaprolactam, C. Polycaprolactone, D. Both B and C. And the correct answer is B. Polycaprolactam. 21st question. The properties like melting point, solubility, color, etc. changes on varying the A. Size, B. Composition, C. Surface properties, D. None of the mentioned. And the correct answer is A. Size. 22nd question. Which of the following is the principal factor which causes the properties of nanomaterial to differ significantly from other materials? A. Size distribution, B. Specific surface feature, C. Quantum size effects, D. All of the mentioned. And the correct answer is A. Size distribution. 23rd question. What are the advantages of nanocomposite packages? A. Lighter and biodegradable, B. Enhanced thermal stability, conductivity and mechanical strength, C. Gas barrier properties, D. All of the mentioned. And the correct answer is D. All of the mentioned. 24th question is the efficiency of today's best solar cell is about A. 15 to 20%, B. 40%, C. 50%, D. 75%. And this is B option, that is 40%. Solar cells, today's best solar cell efficiency is 40%. 25th question is carbon nanotubes are the sheets of graphite about A. 0.1 nanometer, B. 0.2 nanometer, C. 0.3 nanometer, D. 0.4 nanometer. And the correct answer is D. 0.4 nanometer. 26th question is carbon nanotubes are also called as A. Bucky tubes, B. Bulky tubes, C. Bulk tubes, and D. Buckballs. And the correct answer is A. Bucky tubes. 27th question is carbon nanotubes are first observed in A. 1992, B. 1991, C. 1990, D. 1993. And the correct option is B. 1991. 28th question. Multi-walled CNT are which concentric nanotube? A. Single, B. Double, C. Triple, D. Multiple. So the correct answer is D. Multiple. So multi-walled CNT are multiple concentric nanotubes. 29th question is CNT is A. Conductor, B. Insulator, C. Semiconductor, D. Impure metal. And the correct answer is C. Semiconductor. So the CNT is semiconductor. 30th question is CNT is A. Non-toxic, B. Toxic, C. Very safe, and D. Not having graphene. And the correct option is toxic. So C and D is toxic also. So here are the solutions of the given questions you can see, and the 31st question is based on the paragraph. So you read the paragraph very well and then answer the given question. So this is also the format of your university MCQ exam pattern, online exam pattern. So you can see here question and answer. So thank you. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.